Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas, just a little bit west of the Strip, just a few blocks. We're going to visit the Palace Station Hotel and Casino today. During my journeys on my last trip to Las Vegas, I wanted to discover some of the hotels and casinos off the Strip and outside of downtown Las Vegas, and Palace Station is actually one of the closest ones to the Strip that I visited. It's on Sahara Avenue, right up the street from the Strat, a little bit west of the Stratosphere. Can you walk to Palace Station from the Las Vegas Strip? Sure you can if you're adventurous and you like to walk. It'd probably be about a 10-15 minute walk. I had lots of places to visit today, so I decided to take mass transit. I used my weekly bus pass, and I got here in about 2-3 minutes from the Strat. A lot of these places off the Strip are locals' hangouts, but as a out-of-towner, I was more than welcomed here. So let's check out Palace Station, shall we? So looking back at those doors, that's where we just walked in, and in this area here, as soon as you walk in, you have the registration area as well as the concierge and bell services. And as soon as you walk past the registration area on the right hand side, you have a little essentials shop. I call all these types of stores essential shops. I know Essentials is a name brand, but to me they're all essential shops. And wow, look, a Starbucks! We have one or two in New York City. I didn't know they had them out here as well. And on the right here is a doorway labeled M, and I thought that was going to lead me to the M Resort and Casino on the south end of the Strip. I walked in and said I'm looking to get lucky, and boy was I embarrassed. Palace Station has recently been renovated from casino to hotel, and everything here looks spanking new and clean. This is the Brass Fork Kitchen and Bar, which offers a creative, playful twist on the traditional cafe experience by serving up a full array of classic comfort food at a great value. Serving up breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the place is open 24/7. This is the high limit area, not too many whales today. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Clarice, the Miss America crown, on my recent Atlantic City video, The Boardwalk Winter Tour. And this is the Feast Buffet here at Palace Station, currently closed. And now we're coming up to the Boathouse restaurant here on the right, and get ready to click that pause button because I want you to put the video on pause and check out this menu. It looks fantastic. It's a seafood restaurant. Boathouse Asian Eatery is a Northern California staple that offers guests an extensive selection of fresh seafood, innovative sushi rolls, and traditional Chinese fare. Whether you're craving soul-warming clay pot salmon, traditional wok, a fresh California roll, crispy pork dumplings, or mouth-watering salt and pepper crab, this endlessly modern eatery serves up an eclectic mix of Asian fusion cuisine featuring Japanese, Chinese, and Vietnamese-inspired plates. We just passed Cinnabar, not to be confused with Cinnabon. It's a 9-screen luxury movie theater with seatside service and a full bar. Lots of slots. And here we have the Palace Station Sportsbook. Very nice for an off-strip property. And hey, here you got Little Tony's Pizza. Created by 11-time World Pizza Champion Chef Tony Gemignani, Little Tony's is a classic pizzeria and Italian trattoria, offering a variety of authentic plates and pizzas amongst a warm, comfortable atmosphere. Whether you're ready to dig into the best deep dish pizza in Las Vegas, or craving homemade pasta, or simply want to enjoy a handcrafted artesian cocktail at the all-new Mahogany Center bar, you'll find all the classic Italian comfort you're seeking in this cozy, welcoming space. And hey, they sell pizza by the slice to go here. That's pretty cool. And here we have the Oyster Bar. This is one of the only seafood restaurants open 24/7 in Las Vegas. And that's it, folks. Palace Station, just a couple blocks off the strip, the northern end of the strip, right by the Strat on Sahara Avenue. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. You can do it again. We'll do it again.
One more time.
That's okay.
Okay.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. Woo!
I don't know how Betty and Wilma here go all night with those 20-pound headdresses, all those beads and those 8-foot feathers, and I asked them why they weren't wearing any masks, and they said, well, they're too cumbersome. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.